Hi guys, welcome to Written Gaming. Yeah, this game is Rivals, and you know what's Rivals? Yeah, gun game. Exponentially, yeah. Run away, yeah. Let's do a game for now. I want to play some games with some guys. Yeah, I'm cooking, bro. Cooking, yeah. Aura, bro. Cora, Aura. Aura is actually a ring. What really call like the and we measures our health, yeah. Ariana, let's go, baby! Yeah. I'm going rage quit actually. If I win this, not win now. If I win the last third or fourth, not yeah, a fourth game, I will go rage quit, bro. I'm gonna I'm gonna do something, but I don't know what will I do. Yeah. Okay. I freezed him, bro. Okay, yeah. I cooked free, colded him, yeah. Chilled. So pissed off him, bro. Pissed. Aura, bro. Aura. 5 minutes have freaking 500 aura, bro. 500 points of aura. Not 500 points. Full 1,000, 1 billion, 1 trillion points aura. Wait, what? Actually, oh my god, bro. I have 1 trillion aura, bro. If I win this, if I do not even die, I have aura. Not aura. Just subscribe so I can buy some Robux and I can do some crazy videos here by spending a lot of Robux and the brain rot, baby. Yeah. If I get a lot of subs, my modder will be buy Robux, 1,000 subs actually. I'll get 10k Robux. Yeah. For a UAE, so and dirhams it will come 10k Robux, 200 dirhams. Yeah, my heart will buy me. There's a chance he will buy me 4k Robux. Not 4k, 4k Robux. Oh, let's go, baby. Yeah. I should not. Bro. When does I have a lot of aura actually? I have like 100 aura. 100. Next turn I'll have 1 billion. 1 billion. Not 1 billion, 1 million actually. I have 100 aura. Why am I saying aura? Aura something. Aura. Oh my god, bro. I have 100 aura. Cooking right now. I'm cooking. What are they using? That guy is taking backpacks, like taking his things, charms like that. Awards. Okay, what am I getting? Cupcake, bro. Are you serious right now? Okay. What's here? Oh, a traffic corn. Yeah, it's called traffic corn. Yeah. Okay, let's do another game. Hey, who's coming? Nobody's coming. Are you serious right now, bro? Okay, I'll just go trying to go on another guy's game. When he sets ready, cooked, bro. I'll cook him badly. Yeah. Come, bro. Somebody come, bro. Why is it? Why did I take you actually? What the heck? And why did I go, bro? I think everybody is going without 2 win streak and my level is 38. But when I be in this big server, another this thing, premium server, like everybody will try to come into my team and they'll cook me badly. Yeah, noob server, like everyone will try to avoid me because I can cook them easily. Yeah, so that's why. Okay. What's this area? So like what will you call back area? Back area, yeah, it's like curtains. This one is like creepy. It's like secret. It could be secret. Okay. 16. Okay. Only 3 guy, but I can beat him in easy or PC or peace. Yeah. Ease, bro. This is the world's easiest game, right? It's not easiest, not that easy. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna create a showdown that Chaos One you played this game actually, and then yeah. That's where Kailash cooked them, bro. He cooked in the Creators Showdown. He cooked all like everyone in this game in rivals by playing rivals. They are cooking, bro. Not even one time. Yeah, they had them, but they won almost every all the rounds. Yeah. Oh, bro, I want to focus for now. Yeah. Run away. Let's go, baby. I'm cooking, bro. If I win this, I'll get 1 million or billion something. 1 million, I think so. Not million, billion actually. Next round, I don't know. I think I have a quadrillion, bro. Not quadrillion. Not quad. XX. I'm gonna get XX, not XX. Quadrillion. I'm gonna say AQA, bro. Not QA. QA in Grow Garden. Quadrillion, bro. General Mendel. Who supports Sammy? Please comment it in the comments. Everyone who does not hate General Mendel. Okay. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Kill him, bro. Bro, I used what are they called? I have aura brown. 1 billion aura. Next round, I'm gonna get 1 quadrillion aura. 100 quadrillion. 100 quadrillion aura, bro. 100 quadrillion, bro. 100 of cooking, bro. I'm cooking. Bro. I'm freaking cooking, bro. Come, bro. Somebody come. Zayed. Yeah. Zayed is my friend. Z-A-I-D. This guy has like 4 or 5. Where's that guy? That guy's my team, Zayed or something. Okay, it's a cat. He's a Minecraft character cat. Yeah, Minecraft. Yeah, I always use this thing. The shotgun. Shotgun only called this. What do you call another one? I forgot. Chainsaw and freeze ray. I forgot what you call it. Flare gun. I can't remember it actually. What? That's a land. Oh my god. Wait, I won 4 billion. Oh my god, bro. I'm a freaking aura, bro. Oh shit. I'm going rage quit. Not rage quit. I'm happy rage quit. Some guys are unhappy. Okay guys, bye. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my channel Return Gaming. No, you guys did not. Oh my god. I'm not quitting, but I'm sleeping actually. I think one more game actually. I'm playing one more game and class finished. Yeah. I think so, one more game or something. I don't know actually, bro. So, okay. I always use if you want your starter, you have to use what will we call? Yeah, you can watch me actually. I'll put the video after 2 days or something, 2-3 days. Yeah, if you are a starter, please watch my video. The starter tutorial how to play Rivals. Yeah, I can help you guys. Yeah, I know I have experience in Rivals. Yeah, not 1 year. Yeah. Okay, look, I'm cooking, bro. I have experience, not that much, but okay, I can teach you a little to make you flexible. You need a good device. Yeah, computer. You have what will you call? Have iPad. That's so good actually. You have to use it. iPad. Mine is iPad only. iPad 9th generation actually, not Pro, not that big. like good. Like by 9th generation. My dream is to become a YouTuber. So guys, please subscribe. I beg you guys, please subscribe. Okay. Shit, run away. Don't run away. That time 1 quadrillion now here. 105 infinity. Wow, infinity aura. Infinite aura. Oh my god. Zaki. What the heck? Zaki. That guy's name is Zaki. Zayed? Zaki. I'm cooking, bro. 0. 0. Cooking. What the heck, bro? So why is everyone using the assault rifle? Then a crossbow. Today I played the first match, I think so. I had crossbow, but I did not even help him. But I almost took almost all my health. Like I had 9 health left, but I couldn't go. I used the flame. Okay, guys. Okay, bye bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to Red Pin Game.